when I started, I had my father here, and it was kind of a reflection. What I did was reflection on him. So, you know, if I made a mistake or something, you should know better, your father works here. So, and I remember my grandfather telling me, I can see it like it was yesterday, Carpenter Steel is the best place in the world to work. I said, best place in the whole world, he'd say. And he believed that to the day he passed away.
For 125 years, Carpenter Technology Corporation has taken great pride in the loyalty of its employees and the products we so skillfully manufacture. As equally important is the impact we make in the communities where we live and work.
Carpenter is very important to the community, and the community knows that. After all, there aren't too many headquarters, big companies left in Berks County now. Carpenter's one. All the banks are gone. The whole thing has changed. So it's a very important factor in the community, and it goes way back. All you need to do is look at the United Way. We've been #1 supporter of the United Way for years and years and years. That's an indication that the tone of involvement is set at the top, but it's embedded in the people who really want to do it.
Our aspiration of becoming the most respected company in specialty metals is a goal we strive toward every day.
I don't think we'll ever get there, because if we ever got there, I think we'd rest on our laurels, and that would be terrible. You know, it's all about the journey. It isn't so much for me the destination. The destination, you know, is to be the most respected, but the journey, that's what separates it. That's what makes Carpenter special. Because why? Because each and every person has to think about not only their contribution, but the contribution of the person standing next to them.
Our values guide our actions in everything we do. Whether it's promoting world-class innovation to enable customer success, or ensuring the highest quality product for our customers through pride in craftsmanship and dedication by our most valued asset.
From the day I came to Carpenter, I knew there was something special here relative to the feelings of the company about the employees. And I thought that was very, very important.
They treated us wonderful. Just take, for instance, a club like this. They sponsored the rival club, they sponsored softball teams, basketball teams. They've done a lot for the employees. Just a club like this itself, where else can you go and have something like this for the employees that are retired? I don't know of any place, never heard of it.
Employee longevity speaks for itself. Danny Koenig from Redding's Met Lab has been with Carpenter for more than 50 years, a milestone rarely reached in today's fast-paced world. Nearly 10% of the total workforce has more than 30 years of service with Carpenter. It's a staggering statistic, given the average tenure at any given job in the United States is about 4.5 years. What's even more amazing is that the tradition continues.
I have some relatives that are still working out here, and they're doing all right. They're satisfied. I can't remember ever hearing anybody that worked here didn't like it or weren't happy with it.
Our history is very rich. From Carpenter material used by the Wright brothers in the first heavier-than-air machine in 1903, to engine components used in the Spirit of St. Louis for Charles Lindbergh's non-stop flight from New York to Paris in 1927. Our first company picnic was held at Hershey Park in 1950, followed by the opening of No. 4 Mill just a few years later. The company continued to grow under a number of great leaders who possessed the vision and foresight to channel the incredible talent of employees and make Carpenter an industry leader in specialty metals, while also utilizing and developing the latest technologies for our customers as well as a changing world. We stand strong with nearly 5,000 employees around the globe who have made the last 125 years possible. Without them, without you, it would be a completely different story.
Carpenter cares about its employees. We cannot win if our employees don't win. And once you understand that, you understand the thing that makes Carpenter tick, because it's about loyalty, it's about respect, and it's about getting the job done.